Hi guys, I'm waiting for my friend to get here so that we can start our unboxing. So she get here, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Hi! Yellow, orange, pink. This is a yellow. I like this one. Cause I think her outfit represents mine. Hers is green and white and stuff. So and it kind of looks like Monster had money on it.
I like all of them.
That'd be cool. And then she's red, and then she's like rainbow. And we have the last one right here.
Yeah.
Last one right here. So we need scissors. Oh wait.
Oh God, her feet.
Start opening here. Come out. Dude, that was loud. Here's our doll. We're gonna leave her in here for now.
Yeah.
Let's get her accessories out. Oh, and there's this here.
What is that? Oh, for clothes.
And then she could be a model. And then there's some extra shoes and clothes with her.
Let's take them out.
Let's take her out first, though.
Okay.
Scissors, but we're gonna be really careful.
There's a comb right there.
Wanna hold the comb?
Yeah. Kind of looks so big.
Let's take. Her legs are free.
Oh, cool.
Her legs are free. Da, 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 da. Help me. Pink.
Yeah. And
Oh, I got it.
and this one, Aria. Yeah. This
Oh, and here's our doll.
There you go.
Display.
Oh.
Get this out of the way.
Go.
Little golden boxes. That's actually really cool. So
Ooh, it hurt. Use the scissors.
Bella has the shoes out now. The clothes out.
Ooh.
Whoa, it looks cool with this. Oh, so the bag is actually fabric. Really cool. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Nope. Cool. It's like a jacket, kind of.
See the socks.
They stand her up.
Look at those muscles. There you go.
You gonna put the face on? No, we're gonna put them on the
Hanger.
the hanger that they came with. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Put it kind of like underneath
Mm.
to make it like that.
Smart. Oh, and it's done.
It's like very detailed and like it's actually real life. Do like cute poses. I like flexible dolls because they can like move their leg. Do like splits and stuff like that. Probably gonna play with it a little bit. It's still gonna be inside my room though. Like very flexible.
What you gonna name her? What's her name?
Rosaline Deborah.
Mm.
Her last name is Deborah.
Deborah, and her first name
Is Rosaline. I just finished my boxing with my friends. Bye.